Hey everyone, what's up? I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Influencer VoxBox and my IPSY December Glambag. So if you're interested in signing up for IPSY or Influencer, make sure you use my links. They're down here in the description box below. So without further ado, I'm going to be showing you first what I got in my IPSY Glambag. So the December IPSY Glambag is this gold glittery glam bag. It features a leather tassel and a black leather back. Right here it says IPSY in gold. It's really cute. And I think it's a little bigger than the average bag. I might be wrong, but it feels like it's a little bigger than the average bag. First things first, the card is right here. They always send a postcard along with your glam bag, and this kind of tells you a little bit about what to expect from your glam bag. So this is Be Merry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You. Oh, cute. I haven't opened the bag yet, but I did see that the bag has a cute lining. It's really pink and adorable, and I really think it accents the other colors of this bag really well. The first item in my IPSY Glam Bag is the Professional Pore Primer from Benefit Cosmetics. It's just a trial size, which means that it's 3 milliliters. So this product targets pores, targets fine lines, and targets makeup meltdown. Porefection accomplished. It says that 93% say that it helped makeup stay put, and 91% say that it minimized the pore appearance. So pretty good reviews. I do like how Benefit adds that to their packaging, especially with the travel size products. It just tells you a little bit about how people feel about the product. Alright, so I got a Nomad Cosmetics Around the World Light Infused Powder. This is Koufei Nang Moonlight. I probably said that wrong. Sorry guys. But again, this is from Nomad Cosmetics. So this is supposed to be a buttery and super blendable holographic illuminator in a duochrome glow with multi-dimension prismatic sapphire and pearl finish, free of parabens and mineral oil. It's just a cute little travel size item. It's a really gorgeous color. So I barely just ran my finger over it. It's super buttery and a very pretty color. I cannot wait to use this. So the third item is this Generation Clay Ultraviolet. This is a brightening purple clay mask, and I'm really excited to try it. I have never heard of this brand, but I do really like clay mud masks. They just make my face feel like really tight, and my pores feel really tight as well. So I like them. This is the fourth product. This is the Nude Beach Volume 3 The Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Bootylicious. So this is the outside packaging, and this is the shade. It's really good for the Christmas holiday, and there you go, there's a little swatch of it. Product number 5 is something that I'm really excited about because I did actually see this in my Glam Bag preview, and this is the Farah blending brush. It is the this is the 35E brush. It's really pretty. And the bristles are really nice. It has a grip for your fingers so you could like blend easier. And I like that it has this smaller bottom. It just kind of fits in your hand better than most blending brushes. Can't wait to use that. That's one thing I really love about IPSY is I usually get some good brushes from them. They just always seem to have really good brush companies sending them products for us to try. So yeah, I love IPSY for their brushes. And for some reason, I got 6 products this time, which usually you get 5 and a glam bag for $10. But this time I got 6 and the glam bag for $10. So this is from the company I'm Not Missing Out. This is a frozen lipstick, and this is in the shade Runway Red. This is a really stunning color. It's red, but it also has a lot of accents of like a rose gold shade. That is a gorgeous color. I really like it. I usually don't like red lipsticks, but I love this one. It's really nice. So that was it for my IPSY December glam bag. I got all of these goodies. And again, if you want to sign up, it's $10 for 5 products every month. You are charged on the first day of every month, and you get some awesome products by like the 15th of the month. So it's a really good way to find new products and new brands that you might not be able to find otherwise. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I got in my Influencer VoxBox, which I'm super stoked about because Influencer is a completely free service and they send you free products just for doing reviews and just for being a part of their brand, I guess, or their page. So I really love them. They're a great way to find new brands as well, but this is completely free and anybody could sign up. So this is the box. Of course, I got some makeup from Sleek Makeup and Influencer. Every time you get a VoxBox, you get one of these cards. They're a little postcard like the IPSY glam bag, and it tells you what you got or a little bit about the products. I got a box of goodies right here. I'm gonna start with the first item, which is a Sleek Makeup highlighting palette. This is called Cleopatra's Kiss. It's got really gorgeous gold packaging. It feels nice and sturdy, and it comes with a little brush that you could use to highlight. I'm probably gonna use a fan brush, but still it does come with the brush, and it comes with 4 shades. So this highlighting palette contains 2 shades that are powder and 2 shades that are more of a cream highlighter. And I like the fact that it does have a mirror up here. The next product that I got from Sleek Makeup is the Vintage Romance eyeshadow palette. And I'm super excited about this palette because I haven't gotten a new palette in a while, so I could definitely use it. This has a nice black matte packaging. It has some very gorgeous pink shades and purple shades, and then some nice nudes at the top as well. It also has a mirror and a little like sponge-footed brush. So this palette contains 12 eyeshadows that range anywhere from a nude shade all the way to a purple shade. I really think I'm gonna get some good use out of this, especially with the holidays coming around. Last product that I got for free from Sleek Makeup is this Fierce Felt Liner, and this is in Zodiac Black. I'm not gonna open it because I imagine it's just a regular old felt tip liner, but I could definitely use this because my Fierce Flicks is definitely running out of ink. So roughly, guys, I just got about $35 worth of makeup completely free just for being a part of the Influencer VoxBox community. Alright guys, so thank you so much for unboxing my Influencer VoxBox and my IPSY glam bag with me. It was a lot of fun. I really like that I got all these makeup products right in time for Christmas. If you like this video, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you like my videos and you're already subscribed, then make sure you hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button. And thanks for tuning in today. I had a lot of fun. Bye guys, happy holidays.